Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment, just as simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to go traveling internationally and you want to basically make sure all your electronic and your devices are nice and covered. And that is because it's a universal travel adapter. This was sent over by EPICKA, and this is their Air 65 watt charger. Really, really cool. So first off, it's going to come with a user manual. We're covering all the features here in the video. Then you're going to get this nice little pouch that keeps it nice and secure when you're traveling. And then this is the device. So the first thing you're going to notice right off the bat for a travel adapter, this thing is pretty compact and thin. It doesn't stick very far off the wall. It's only about 1 1/4 inches thick. It's about 3 1/4 inches in length and about 2 inches in width. So one of the nice things about this is when you have it plugged in, because it's thin profile, you know, it's weighted down. You're not having to worry about this thing like tipping out of the outlet, for example. But it is going to be good in a ton of countries. So you're looking at about 200 plus countries or regions out of support for this guy, which is really, really cool. So first off, on the back side, you got a little slider here at the top. That's going to slide out your US port. Go ahead and twist that, and now you are going to have your Australian version. So you got your two options there. And then you're going to have pop the little piece here in the middle, and this is going to be your UK support. And then you got your European one here also at the bottom. So like I said, it does a ton of countries as far as various options that you got. Now, this thing will be able to charge up to 5 devices at once. So once you plug this in, you're going to notice you're going to have 3 USB-C ports down here at the bottom, and then 1 USB-A port. So you can plug in lots of little electronics down here on the bottom. The one with the green is what you want to plug in for your cell phone or laptop, because it does the higher output of wattage. Obviously, the more you plug in, it's going to basically dampen that down as far as charging ability. But if you just plug it into the single one, it's going to charge at a faster rate. And then you're going to notice right here on the front is a nice just regular plug, AC plug, that you can go ahead and utilize. And you're going to notice same configuration. You can plug in a US configuration. You can plug in the European one or the Britain one, and it even has the ground option down here as well. So very versatile on the front and versatile on the back. Now, this is a universal adapter. This is not a voltage converter, so this is not meant for your hair dryer. It's meant to just kind of charge up your various smaller electronics. Anything that is got that 110 to 240 volt, this is what that's going to be able to utilize, not a converter. So just make sure you do realize that. It does have a bunch of safety features built in here, though. It does have an 8 amp fuse, so that's a nice feature. It's going to pop that so that hopefully it doesn't damage any of your devices if you accidentally do something. It also has over voltage, over current, overheating, all that kind of stuff that you'd want built into this nice little device here as well. So overall, like I said, if you're going traveling and you're looking for a great little universal travel adapter, it's nice and compact, easy to bring with you, basically does a lot of devices at once. This one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys stay easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.